This is David Xie, and I've been in the mortgage industry for over 15 years. So a couple years ago, I've got a really great agent, one of my favorite agents in the world, Bobby, and he's got very, very good friends that are great real estate agents in the entire Hampton Roads area. And he's been talking to Jason for a while about sending me business. And I remember Bobby calling me one day and he said, "Hey, David, I want to let you know I've referred your name out and I've been talking to Jason about sending you business for a long time." The first deal that Jason sends me is David. David comes to me and he went to another local mortgage company, and he's self-employed. And we know what happened in 2020. 2020 was a very challenging year for a lot of people, and my heart goes out to everybody due to COVID. So his business income actually declined some. However, being part of American Financial Network, not only do we do the traditional loans, we do brokered loans as well. I worked with David and his wife. We gathered a bunch of information, and I said, "You know what, David, I think I've got an option for you. We've got a program that only requires 12 months of bank statements, and with the bank statements, we were able to take all the deposits that he had, looked at everything. Actually, in 2 days, we're going to be closing his loan for $1.2 million. He's extremely grateful. He's going to drive 5 hours down here to sign off on all the paperwork. That's another reason that I'm extremely proud, and I'm really happy to not only be able to do the loans, but have the arsenal in my toolbox to be able to do the loans for customers that are worthy of owning beautiful houses like David and his family is going to be in. So prior to joining American Financial Network in July of 2020, I worked for a bank for 9 years, and I worked for another mortgage company for another 5 years, and then another mortgage company for years. And one of the things that I knew that I wanted to look for in joining a group of high-level loan officers is that they told me about there were a lot of different products out there. And with the different products, I knew that where I worked, I was leaving a lot of customers in situations where I was telling them they could not qualify. So that's why I joined American Financial Network. They not only have the tools to be able to close a lot of loans for a lot of customers with the conforming loans as well as the non-conforming loans, I'm able to do loans in all 50 states. As a realtor, a lot of my realtors that send me business know that, hey, if I were to send it to ABC company or XYZ company and they say no, what a lot of realtors have started doing is instead of sending it to ABC and XYZ, they just send it straight to David, and we're able to do the loans for their customers. If you've liked what you've seen so far, please feel free to reach out to us 7 days a week so we can help you with your financing goals.